Hi, I'm Lou, and today we're going to look at this weather station from Vevor. Here's everything that comes in the box, and there it is unwrapped. Assembly is easy. You just take this tube, put it in here, install 2 bolts from the top like this, and then you put nuts underneath and use this to tighten them down. Next, this piece goes on here. Same thing with the bolts going from the top, and then nuts on the bottom. So now there's a foot on the bottom that has several mounting options. You can screw sideways with these or down with these, or if you have a post in the ground, you can clamp it with this other piece and then use these to hold it all together. Before we mount it, we'll unscrew this, open this door. These lithium batteries work much better in cold weather. And screw it back down. When it's working, this thing flashes about once every minute because it's transmitting data. And we just peel this off the solar cell. You twist and remove this funnel, and then this seal comes out. There's a power cord for the display unit, but you can also run it on AAA batteries. My house is over there, and the wind either comes from that direction or that direction, so I'm not worried about these grain bins being in the way because it never comes from there. I've got this post pounded into the ground, and it's about 6 feet up, which is what you want for these weather stations, and we'll just clamp it on right there. Mounting direction matters. You want to put this propeller facing north. It seems to be working, and I'm extremely impressed by the range. I put it over here on the other side of my house, and the unit, you can see from the house, is way outside over there. You can barely see it right there. I'm sure this is more accurate than my weather app, but let's see if we're in the right ballpark. This says 52.7 degrees. That says 50. Humidity at 53% there and 45% there. Barometer of 30 there and 29 there. I agree, my inside temperature is about 71 degrees, and we'll check my humidity of 51%. My little meter only says 42%, but who knows which is better. Forecast shows sun and clouds, which kind of matches this. There's really no rainfall, so we need to press here to reset it. I won't get into all the settings down here, but I will say for rain, for instance, you can say it for daily, weekly, hourly, things like that. Next, we'll scan here to load the app on our phone, and it'll help us set up the Wi-Fi. I got the app and had to create an account to log in, but it was all pretty easy. And then I just had to press and hold this for 3 seconds, and it allowed these two to pair. And now I have all the same information on my phone, and I can take this anywhere I go. Looks like we're gonna be able to test the rain gauge soon. It rained last night, as you can see from the window and the driveway. And sure enough, this thing recorded 0.26 inches of rain. It's a very windy day, and that spinner is going crazy. And the station shows a wind speed of 23.9 with gusts up to 28.2. Overall, this is a really cool device, and I'm really impressed with the range. Thanks for watching.